Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we will walk you through how to access blog Telegram channel. So let's get started. First open the Google Chrome. Yes guys, don't open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Go to the Google Chrome and search for the web Telegram. Then simply tap on the first option available in the Google Telegram web. Tap on it. After you tap on it, if you have not signed in or logged in into your account in Google Chrome, then please log into your Telegram account. If you have not logged in yet, then if you have already logged into your Telegram account in Google Chrome, then you will be simply navigated to the chats. So inside the chats, tap on the three dashboard available in the top left corner. Then tap on the settings option. Here you will be navigated to the settings. Then in settings, tap on the privacy and security. Then inside privacy and security, scroll down till you find disable filtering. So it simply restricts the access to certain types of content deemed inappropriate or undesirable. So simply tap on the checkbox and enable it. So that is it guys. By following these steps, you'll be able to access to your blocked Telegram account. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.